Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if you didn't receive login code from Facebook, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can do it with mobile data, just turn off and turn on again your mobile data. Also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so just try to fix it in another way. So just go to Facebook, just tap on it, just choose remove app, and after, just go to App Store. In App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write Facebook, and now just tap on get and download and install Facebook again on your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.